Yesterday, we discussed 5 billionaires and their favorite stocks. George Soros and Rivian Automotive, Brian Higgins and Hertz Global, Andrew Law and Pfizer, Daniel Sunheim and Expedia, Stephen Tannenbaum and Valeris. Some were wins, some were not. As we've said before, copying a billionaire's portfolio is not a guarantee you'll have the same success. Even billionaires lose money. Still, it's safe to say that these big players have made some savvy financial decisions. By considering what the very wealthy do, we hope to inspire you to widen your horizon and look into more assets. Let's continue with our list of billionaires. Number 6. Felix and Julian Baker and Insight. Julian and Felix Baker are not exactly high profile, and that's evident even in their choice of stock. Insight is a biotech stock. Their most popular drug, Jafaki, treats 2 types of rare blood cancer. 2021 wasn't a good year for Insight, though. They missed their targets and lost 16%. The Bakers doubled down instead of harvesting it for tax loss. The stock has slightly recovered to $72. This is still less than an all-time high of $150. Number 7, Chris Hahn and Visa. Visa needs no introduction, and Hahn took the opportunity to buy one of the Wall Street's favorite stocks at a discount in Q4. It is now 11.3% of its portfolio. Visa is one of the industry's analysts' highest rated stocks. It routinely ranks highly on the list of hedge funds' top blue chip stocks to buy, and Warren Buffett is a big fan too. It is currently trading at $215, down from a $249 high. Number 8. John Armitage and Canadian Pacific Railway. Canadian Pacific Railway, or CPR, is a transportation and mining giant. CPR has generated a total return, including dividends, of about 150% ever since it went public in 2001. No wonder Armitage is enjoying a net worth of $2.9 billion. The hedge fund billionaire continued to be bullish on CPR and the sort of global macroeconomic exposure it affords in Q4, topping off Egerton's stake by 1% or 424,443 shares. CPR has also been one of the steadfast stocks, even though the pandemic and political distress like the Russian invasion of Ukraine. It was at around $45 at the beginning of the pandemic, and it has been bouncing between $70 and $80 in the last 12 months. Number 9, Seth Klarman and Qorvo. Qorvo makes chips and integrated modules that enable wireless and wired connectivity. It is one of the early players in the smart home and auto connections, the Internet of Things, IoT, and 5G expansion in general. Seth Klarman was an early bird. He started with 861,278 shares of Qorvo. He now holds 5.9 million shares worth $929.9 million as of December 31st. Qorvo is now trading at $106. Its all-time high is $195. Number 10, Stephen Mandel and Amazon.com. Stephen Mandel, Lone Pine Capital, has a stake size of $2.1 billion, which makes up 8.3% of his portfolio. It's been said that Warren Buffett is also a big fan of Amazon, but with these numbers, it looks like Mandel is a bigger fan. Mandel's Lone Pine Capital hedge fund increased its Amazon stake by 70%, or 256,209 shares. In the final 3 months of 2021, they now own 617,321 shares. Mandel has an estimated net worth of $3.9 billion. He first bought his shares in 2017. Amazon was trading at $50 at the time. Amazon stock has more than doubled. It is certainly trading at $140. It was at an all-time high of $174 back in July last year. What about you? What's your favorite stock and why? Let us know in the comment section below. This has been Natalie Denise for Noble Gold Investments. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe for news and updates.